Hello Prowess partners, welcome back to our video. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Today we'll be discussing the importance of utilizing property management software for short-term rental business owners. In the dynamic landscape of the short-term rental market, property management software is indispensable for property owners and managers. PMS streamlines and automates various aspects of property management, including bookings, guest communication, and financial reporting, significantly contributing to operational efficiency and profitability. By automating tasks like reservation management, guest inquiries, and maintenance scheduling, PMS allows managers to focus on strategic initiatives and guest satisfaction. Moreover, PMS provides real-time data analysis, offering insights into occupancy rates, revenue trends, and guest preferences. This data-driven approach helps managers make informed decisions, optimize pricing strategies, and maximize revenue potential. Essentially, PMS integrates various functions, enhancing operational efficiency and driving business growth in the short-term rental market. Property management software is crucial for short-term rentals, addressing multifaceted industry challenges. It automates routine tasks and provides real-time data insights, empowering property owners and managers to optimize operations and elevate the guest experience. PMS features automated booking and reservation management, with a centralized calendar and real-time availability updates, minimizing errors and guest dissatisfaction. It also excels in guest communication with automated messaging and 24/7 support, ensuring timely and personalized interactions. Listing and channel management are streamlined, synchronizing listings across platforms and optimizing rental rates with dynamic pricing tools. PMS simplifies housekeeping and maintenance scheduling, with automated task assignments and real-time updates, maintaining property condition and reducing guest complaints. Financial management and reporting are also robust, with automated payment processing and detailed financial reports, enabling data-driven decision-making. The benefits of using PMS in short-term rentals include increased efficiency, time savings, enhanced guest experience, maximized revenue, better property maintenance, and comprehensive data insights. Automation reduces manual tasks, streamlining operations, and allowing managers to focus on strategic initiatives. Enhanced communication improves guest satisfaction, leading to positive reviews and repeat bookings. Optimized pricing strategies and higher booking rates increase revenue, while regular maintenance scheduling reduces downtime and prevents guest complaints. Comprehensive data insights help managers make informed decisions and stay competitive. Real-world examples illustrate the significance of PMS. Automated booking management reduces double bookings and increases accuracy, while enhanced guest communication improves satisfaction and reviews. Optimized revenue management with dynamic pricing boosts revenue and occupancy rates. As the industry evolves, PMS remains a vital tool for managers seeking to stay competitive and achieve sustainable growth. Choosing the right PMS is crucial. Consider scalability, user-friendliness, and integration capabilities. Research and compare popular PMS solutions to find one that fits your needs. In the dynamic short-term rental market, adopting robust PMS is a strategic necessity. PMS serves as the operational backbone, streamlining various aspects of the business. By automating routine tasks and providing real-time data insights, PMS empowers users to optimize workflows, enhance guest experiences, and drive profitability. PMS addresses multifaceted industry challenges by automating tasks like reservation management, guest communication, and maintenance scheduling, allowing managers to focus on guest satisfaction and business growth. Real-time data analysis provides valuable insights, enabling informed decisions, optimized pricing strategies, and identifying areas for improvement. PMS acts as a centralized hub, integrating various functions, enhancing efficiency, and driving business growth. By leveraging automation, data analytics, and streamlined workflows, property managers achieve a competitive edge, deliver exceptional guest experiences, and maximize revenue potential. Implementing PMS involves a structured approach. Start with assessing business needs and goals, then select a suitable PMS. Migrate existing data, configure the software to match workflows, and train staff. Regular updates and continuous improvement keep up with industry trends and guest expectations. By following these steps, managers can successfully implement PMS and unlock its full potential to streamline operations, enhance guest experiences, and drive business growth. In the ever-evolving short-term rental landscape, PMS is increasingly vital. It automates tasks, centralizes information, and provides valuable data insights, freeing up time for managers to focus on strategic initiatives and guest satisfaction. PMS acts as a centralized hub for all property-related information, improving efficiency and minimizing errors. Real-time data analysis offers insights into occupancy rates, revenue trends, and guest preferences, empowering managers to make informed decisions, optimize pricing strategies, and identify areas for improvement. PMS is a catalyst for success in the short-term rental industry, enabling managers to achieve operational excellence, deliver exceptional guest experiences, and maximize revenue potential.